Changing your profile picture on Discord is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your avatar easily. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access it through a web browser by visiting the Discord website. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen next to your username. Click on it to open the User Settings menu. Step 3. Select My Account. In the User Settings menu, find and click on the My Account tab. This section contains your account information, including your current profile picture. Step 4. Change Avatar. Look for the option to change your avatar. Click on the Edit button on the current profile picture. This will prompt you to upload a new image from your device. Step 5. Upload and save. Choose the new image you want to use as your profile picture. After selecting the image, make sure to click the Save Changes button to apply the new avatar to your profile. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture on Discord. Enjoy your new look.